I had to make these covers here and these inserts on my 3D printer for the wires to come through, because the last one, or before, I had the wires running up the outside and through these holes. It's in the middle of the step going up onto the bow. So I made these on the 3D printer, made the inserts so that the wires would always be above the dash, and that's what the old one looks like. I had to cut it off and order a new power wire on Amazon. And so anyway, this is PLA and it's not good with UV, so I had to put acrylic paint on there. I've got like 8 coats of paint on it, and that includes 3 of which are clear coat. Hopefully it's gonna protect it from the UV. And then here's how I put it on. I'm gonna have to prop up my camera some kind of way. I just have to, because this wire sticks up more because of that plastic thing. I had it in the step originally because, and there it goes on solid. And now moisture can't get to it. And there's a nut on the bottom of each of those inserts. I had to use a hole saw to drill a 1.5 inch hole. And then I designed those inserts to go in there where the wires go through, with a nut on the bottom so that they're fastened tight to the dash and they're sealed. Well, I could put marine, some kind of marine glue or something on it, which I have some in the garage.